एंड होगा आप मुझे पिक कब करेंगे
create the HTML and JS file.
ठीक है वही
Then once this is done, then we have to second step will be creating the SP. Then third process will be create API. Connect the database. Okay, so these four steps will be doing. First will be create HTML and JS file. For any application, we create new application, we create HTML and JS file. After that, we create the SP, then create API, and then after that, we connect all these three to a database. That is connect to database. Okay, so first thing is like create HTML and JS file. So for here, what I am showing is one demo application I have created here, where which says one field is their student name and one submit button is there. So what is the requirement here we are doing? Like, this application is for applying new application for TC request. Like if parents wants to apply for TC, they will be apply from here. This is just a demo application. Okay. So here we have student name and one submit button. So we'll add here more three columns. Three columns will be first column is student name. Second will be student role. Address for student reason for student reason means for any reason. So these four. Coming to the HTML file. So this is just a very basic application which I have created. Here is one field where we have setting label as student name. Then this is the text field. Then down here we have the button, submit button. Okay. So for now, this application looks like this. So we'll be adding more three columns. So what I'll do, I'll just directly copy from here. More three columns there. So I'll rename it to student. Student address and then student. Okay.
Progress.
Whenever you are working on new application, just remember always do empty cache and hard reload. Otherwise, the changes won't reflect. Okay, so here we have all four columns maybe. Student name, student enroll, address, and student reason. Okay, and before that, one more thing. Once we create our HTML and JS, file, like this is my HTML file, parent request.html, and this is my JS file, parent request.js. So these two after creating, we have to add it in the app dot route. How we will add like this. This is the main thing. This will be our this is the syntax like dot main dot. Then we have to put application code. For new application, you can put anything. Like I put PR app. This will be our application code. And then here I have to put URL. This URL will be my app with this URL. It will come here after the main this part. And then this will be the template URL. Template URL is where our file is placed. Like I have put it inside apps, module, collaboration, views, and then this application. And same with the controller. This will be our controller name. After this we have created, then we have to go to index.html. Index.html and index.html, we have to add a JS file. And JS file also the same way how we have added here the HTML, like the full path of the JS file. Apps module collaboration controller slash then parent request font.js. Okay. So after adding in these two, then our application will load on a local. Once this is done, we have created these for this this. So we have created this one. Now we have to change the ng model of this. You can't keep an ID, names, and ng model. You can't change. So we have to change this. So for first one it's student name. For the second one ng model, I will change this. Third one I will change to student address. Fourth one I will ID also.
Yes. So while creating you and all, you can select different department. While creating purchase, you can select whichever department you want to. So it is under which department? Department should be student. So that will be by default, it will get saved when you click on that inventory section. Now you can see location control. Name. See, took it from April to March. It's running this name.
Okay. Okay. Now our first part is done. That is our HTML we have created. The front end, but this is basic, so it won't look that good. But this is just a basic thing. There are 4 fields and 1 submit button. Now we will go to the JS file.
No. See what I'm saying.
So JS file start the function. This is just a syntax. This you can use in all the applications. You can copy it. No need to write again and again. Only this part we have added here. The function part, else this will remain same. This full top part and this the closing brackets and all. So start with function. Then we declare one variable where we define our module name. Since model is under collaboration. It's under collaboration. Then from there we put the injectors here. Then again in the function we put the same injector names here. Then from here you can start with the function application. Like here I have submit button. This function for this submit button is I have added here. Okay, so how this submit button goes, I have declared one variable for data list, which will means one function submit function. Under that I have declared one variable. Along with that there is one API which will pass the data to the API. So first step is in the war data list variable which I have defined, I have to pass the ng model. Whatever fields we are entering here, these fields will come to the JS. What we have to do is Have to go here, take this Ang model, this come here, paste it, then we'll put dollars scope dot. This is what we'll put. Then we'll put comma. Then we'll put the second one. And roll one. And roll. So, EBT dot. Again.
Even Mahato, share it like add to record विधान की
Okay, so I added all the four. Let's put the name, then and role, user, address, and reason. Okay. Once this is done, then this variable we have passed it here. India URL we have to. But before that, before going to the API part, we have to create the SP and the block code in which we will be saving the data. Like, let's see. Create the HTML and JS file that we have done. Now we'll be going to the next step, that is create the SP. There we'll be saving the data. Create the SP. First, we need a table. We are doing the don't have table also. We'll have to create table first. So what I'll do? Create table. This is a table which I have created. I have to add the column name. First column name which I'll add is since underscore student underscore name. Then the tab. This will be as 20. Next will give us underscore. We have to create 4 columns. Student name, underscore student enroll, tab. This is 7. Now third column. This will be named as since student enroll, since student address. And here this is student reason. This is reason student address. And go this side. Okay. So this is our table which we have created now. Execute this table. Now to check the table which you have created, the syntax is select from table name. Copy this table name. Execute. You will see our 4 columns which we have added are here. Student name, enroll, address, and reason. Okay. Now we have to create our SP. This table we have created. Now we will be creating our SP. See, for SP part also we have things. First is create table. Then add SP. Okay. So first part we have done, create table and add required columns. Now third will be create SP. Now how will create SP is creating this page and comment this out. So down. First, we have to define which school for which school we are using, that is which database. So now currently I'm connected to HS staging, so I'll use this only. So what is the syntax that we use? Like type use. Then I have to do PMS underscore IHS. This name will be this name. Top one which you can see. PMS IHS. And after that, I have to write create or alter procedure. Then here we have to give our procedure name. It is SP. So I'm writing it as since parent request is have added. So this will be my SP name. Since parent request. Then after that I have to pass operator. Declare the operators where there the operator value I'll pass it from null. Once this is done, then I have to add my block as okay. So this part we have created the SP. SP is like till here only create alter procedure. This part only. Once this is done, now I will be adding my block in this as block. How I'll add block is like this. If then I have to add inside buffer at the rate operator was here. And name I have to give an operator name. So this is first. I can put A also. I can put anything, but it should be unique in one SP. Then I write begin, and then this would be my end. I'll with this, it will be error like this end will be the rest since there is nothing inside the block. Now I have now for what we are creating the application, like we want to insert these four data in a table on click of submit. So what will be my block? Like I have to do insert. I have to write insert into a table name which we have created, which is this change request. This will put converted bracket. Inside that I have to pass the column names. First column name is student. Second column is student and roll. There is student. This. Now once this is done, then I have to pass the values. Little at the rate. Sorry, this. You have to basically you're declaring here. Then the last one. Okay. We'll have an end. Okay, so this is our block. We have created a block operator A, where we have started with begin and then insert into this table column name, then values here, and then we have done end. Okay, now we can execute this procedure. Must declare. Okay, I have to declare. Okay, I have not declared. So once this is done, then we have to declare also on top, like how we have declared the operator here, like this A operator for that. So you have to declare for the others also. Equal to all, comma, like this only. All four I have to declare on top. And name and role. That's this one. Here, reason. Okay, now we have declared also all the five operators, operator, student name, enroll, address, and reason. I will execute. So my procedure is now created. Okay, so now two steps are done. That is, we have created this case file, we have created the SP and completed all the steps, create table, add required column, create SP, and add block in the SP. Now, third part is the create API. Now, now for the API part, before creating the API, we have to create a new thing, new block. Okay. Okay. So for creating new API, what we have to do is we have to check under which module our project is, meaning under which module we are creating a application. So I will come in the app route and I will check here. My module is collaboration. So for this collaboration module, what I will do, I will go to solution. I will go to the Sims API project. So you can hover and check. This will be my Sims API. So under this, click on Solution Explorer. Come to your this thing, your module. So you can see here there are different modules. Ours is collaboration. So here it is our model, this part, collaboration. For creating new API, you have to do this is for creating new API, full file only. Every time you no need to create new API, you can use the existing one also and create one function inside it. That also works. So for new one, you have to do collaboration. You have to click on this add, and then you have to click on this web API controller dot class. Web API controller dot class. Once you click on this controller, it will open like this. It will open like this. This won't be there. Separated. Like this, it will open. There will be multiple functions also. Those you can remove, but main part of the API is this. Okay. So this one. So like this you will get. So first thing you have to do is you have to create a route prefix. So for that, I have to exactly say copy this. And write API slash. I can give this my file name. Like how I will call this API. I will be calling this API with this name, whatever I am going to. So I will put parent. Okay. So whenever I want to call any API, means whenever I want to call this particular API, always I will use root prefix as API / parent request. This I have to put. If I will not put, then get call. Okay. So once this is done, then you have to add inside a function inside this function name. I'll show you later. Already written that function. You will be- Function will be creating. This is the function which will pass all the values from HTML and JS file to API. Okay. Before that, we will create in JS file the SP path I will be adding. So we'll come back to the JS file. First we will add. Okay, we have already added this. Now we have to add our API path. So what I have told you that this is a prefix. This we will have to use. Otherwise, our API won't get called. So we'll copy this. We'll go here. We'll paste this here. Okay, we'll paste this here. Then we'll give.
Now ending 5 minutes now.
Okay, we can initiate it.
Next session. Done.
API parent request we have done. Now we have to add a particular API function name. This is the main one. This will call our full API. But which API exactly we want? Which inside one which we want? In which we will be passing these values. So that will be passing from here. In the root, we will be putting this name. This name, anything I can put. Like now I have put CUD parent request. I can put even this much also. CUD parent request. So I will be copying this. And I will come back to Sims Web. I will paste it here. Okay. So this completes my API part, meaning Sims API path part. So this is like API / parent request / this my completely API part. So this will call exactly, it will go in API parent request, then it will search for this API CUD parent request. Okay. This we have done. This same name what we have put here, we have to put it here also. HTTP response message. And one more thing, no need to type all this. You can copy from another API this syntax part, and you can edit in that syntax. That same thing even I am doing. So once this I have put this root name here. Now second thing is I have to pass the parameters here. Parameters which will come from JS file, and from here it will pass to the SP. So first thing is what this. First thing is what, then we will come here int -db dot execute procedure for insert. Okay. This procedure is for insert. So here my what will come here, I have to pass my SP name. Where I have to pass my data? I have to pass my data in SP. Which SP? This SP which I have created here, which we just now created. Sims.sims admission. This SP. Okay. Okay, now it will go inside this SP, but how it will find the operator, which operator? So that also we'll have to put here. We'll put new SQL parameter operator. Which operator we have declared here? Operator we have declared here is operator A. It will go inside operator A, then it will start inserting. So we'll have to pass here operator A also. Pass operator A. Okay. Once we have passed operator, now we have to pass the parameters. How it will pass how data will pass to the SP. So we are passing from here four fields, data of 4 fields, which are since student name and road address, and since student name and road address. Student name. This here I have passes My computer which I have kept in the values or in the declare part that I have to take. Like this, I write for all four. These two also address and people. So this completes my API part also. It will pass, it will go to the SP, it will search for the operator, then it will go inside this. It will pass the values to the parameters. Yeah. So what we have completed is, what we have completed, we have done with first point, second point, third point also create API. Now fourth is connect the database. That also we have completed actually in this point of view. Like what we were passing this and then we have passed this. So this is connect to the database. This part was for connect to the database. Okay. Now we will check our application whatever we have done. I will save this. I will do IS Express. Let's save this also. Now I will run the application.